Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your TikTok photo swipe not working properly. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and make any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store or App Store. Works in both iOS and Android devices. And just simply search for TikTok and make sure TikTok is up to date. As you can see, mine isn't up to date, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Update and give that a few moments for that to update, and once that is done, click on Open. Guys, my TikTok has been updated, so I'm going to click on TikTok, open her up, click onto Profile, click on the hamburger icon, and then you want to click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down a bit, and under Cache and Cellular, click on Free Up Space. So if you haven't cleared up space in a while in your TikTok app, that might be one of the issues why your slides photo swipe not working, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and clear all this. Clear downloads. You can leave drafts, that doesn't really matter that much. But if you've got a whole heap of drafts, you might want to do that. And another thing you need to do is head over to your Settings app on your phone. Search for apps. Click onto apps, search for TikTok. Alright, I'm in TikTok now. Where it says storage, you want to clear the cache here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now if you go back to TikTok, I'm going to go back and upload. I'm going to upload a few photos to see if swipe's working now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly. I'm going to choose some random photos. These ones will do. Alright, now these are uploading to TikTok. Okay, that seemed to fix the problem. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. I hope this video helped and fixed your issue. If it did, we would really appreciate it. Give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, and it helps us out a lot.